Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to do a product review. This company STUDIOFINIX sent me over this 8 inches Bluetooth waterproof outdoor walk speaker, 600 watt, one pair. Guys, you know, it's Black Friday going on, Christmas season, so if you're looking for an option to gift to somebody, this can be an option. I'm going to do the unboxing, let you see what is inside the box once you open it. And guys, this item is a 3.5 Bluetooth and dual pairing function built in the latest 3.5 chips, provide rapid pairing and stable connection streaming for your music playlist, easy to maximize connection distance up to 65 feet apart, which is very nice. Inside the box guys, you see the manual instruction, and as I mentioned, the distance is 65 feet apart. Even if it's outdoor, the rock speaker can easily be connected. This rock light speaker have the rough exterior, making the outdoor rock speaker perfect for any environment decoration or terrain, suitable for outdoor parties, barbecue, patio, deck, backyard, front yard, and spot garden and walk use. Guys, you know, with the Thanksgiving coming, so it's a best way to just enjoy outdoor with your family. I have this speaker for a while now guys, before I can make the video for you guys. And the thing that I like the most about it is because it's waterproof. Guys, I live in Florida where we always constantly have raining season, and you know, all the good stuff coming with Florida guys. Having this waterproof speaker, it's a game changer for me. In the case scenario there's rain outside, so I don't have to wash to bring it inside. That's the thing that I like about it. And guys, as you can see, it's super easy to install. So simply, the master speaker need to be located near the AC outlet, and you are connected to the power supply, and the master speaker provide the electrical current needed for the internal stereo power amplifier Bluetooth receiver. Their speakers are for year round. They can withstand for any hot, cold temperature. Guys, I live in Florida. I don't know nothing about cold. The quality of the material is very nice guys, made of 5 layers and marine grade. Very nice guys. As you can see, they are fairly new to me. I don't know how long they will last, but for what I've seen so far, I like them. The link will be in the description box down below. If you're looking for a great outdoor speakers, you can use them indoor too, but they are really made for outdoors. So if you're looking for outdoor speakers, this one can be a very good option. The link will be in the description box down below. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY, home decor. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all and keep on watching. Okay guys, that's my little backyard. Please don't judge, and my son is loving it. He's enjoying this outdoor moment.
Yeah.
Watch out, rock them. DECOR.
copyrighted. That's the only music that he likes, that I'm not going to have any copyright, guys. As you can see, my little backyard is very nice. It's small, guys, but that's what I have right now, and I'm in the moving process, guys. You're gonna see a lot of my outdoors with my speaker. Guys, that was all for today. So if you're looking for a nice speaker, this might be a good option, might be a good gift for someone that you love or for yourself. Okay, guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.